Hello everyone, we're here at 1290 Canary Island and I have this beautiful new rental in Savannah. Let's take a look inside how it is. Now we are inside the property right now. We're walking to, you see the formal dining living room area, and the back there you can see the family room. Let's take a walk in here, and then this is the entrance we came in. Then we have the garage, and the garage has the laundry room and a couple of items. Then we go walk again. It's all tile, and we're gonna walk to this hallway, and then we'll find a linen closet. Then we're gonna find here the bedroom right here. This is 10 by 11. Then we got another bathroom, and then we got another bedroom here. Then we walk out here. We got the family room and the kitchen. This house is fully paid for. It's a 3-2, 1542 square footage. Asking price is $2,500 a month. No carpet, as you can see. The bathrooms and the walk-in closet. Now you have access to all the amenities in Savannah, and we could go out here and take a look here. Access to the patio, which you have the view of the reserve. So if you guys got any questions, please call me at Jesus Cardenas at 954-394-4592. Thank you.